Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to disable incognito mode on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that go to profile, and after that go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. And after that scroll down until you will find control my visibility, and to disable incognito mode you have to change it to standard. And of course this option of incognito mode is an option only for Tinder Platinum subscribers, so that means if you are not subscribed to Tinder Platinum you can't use this option. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.